Most welcome my dear students. I am Dian Sukla. In this video I will explain chapter 1 Wonder of class 7th. Now I am going to give you a brief introduction of this chapter. This is the story of a 10 years old boy whose name is August Foreman. He had 27 surgeries throughout his childhood. He has been taught at home instead of in school by his mother. Now he is 10 years old and admitted in 5th grade in Beecher Prep School. His parents wanted him to take experience of his school life to survive properly in this world. In this extract that is taken from Wonder written by R.J. Palacio, August talks about his family and himself. The given story is divided into two parts. In first part, August talks about his family and himself, and in second part is narrated by his new friend, Summer. Okay, dear students, let's begin the story. This is first part of the story. August thinks about himself that why he didn't go to school. He knows that he is not an ordinary child of 10 years old. He does normal things, eats ice cream, rides his bike, plays ball, has an Xbox, that is a video game. Mean to say, he does all the normal things that a kid is supposed to do. He feels himself as common as the other kids, but he knows it that he is different from other kids, because when they see him they run away from the playgrounds with screaming. Other kids used to stare at him because his face is strange. When other people see his face, they make their faces, but August pretends that he doesn't see them. August says his mom, dad and his sister Via don't see him ordinary. They see him as extraordinary. They care him. Again he thinks that only he realizes himself ordinary. In this paragraph, August tells his name and says he will not going to describe himself. He starts in class 5th next week. He has never gone to a real school before because his mother was teaching him at home. He says people thinks him due to his strange face he does not go to school, but it's not true. He doesn't go to school due to all the 27 surgeries he had. That is why his parents decided him not to send to school. Now August is much stronger. His last surgery was 8 months ago, and probably he will not have any surgery for 2 years. His mother homeschools him and becomes very busy to take care of August and his wife Via. August wanted to go to school like every other kids going to school. He wants to have lots of friends and wants to hang out after school. So many things August says about himself. And now this is second part of the story. It is narrated by August's new friend Summer. Summer says that some kids asked him why he had friend who looked strange so much. These kids don't know about August. If they know him, they don't call him the freak. Summer always replies them that August is a nice kid, so they both are friends, and orders not to call him the freak. Zamina Chen says Summer that he is a saint and refused himself to follow his orders. One of Summer's friend, Julian, had nicknamed August the Zombie Kid, and everyone was calling him with this name. August knew it. It is hard to have friendship with a new kid with normal face. Summer says that he is just a kid. He looks strange, but he is just a kid. Summer sits with August for 2 weeks. He says he does not eat neatly, but he is pretty nice. He is fun, so Summer keeps sitting down with him. Summer had warned her mother about August's face. He had described what he looked like. August was coming his friend Summer's home for first time. Her mother shocked when she came through the door and saw his face for the first time. But she maintained herself and welcomed August. Summer and August took dinner together and worked on their project. They went in living room for some rest. Summer asked him about his face. August replied that his strange face is due to craniofacial abnormality and the rigorous surgery schedule. And thus the story goes to its end. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.